Right, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark and it's Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Right, today I'm going to look at this Scotch Pioneer, which was gifted last year. I wired it up, and today I'm going to unwire it to see if the trunk is set on it or not. So let's get into this. Did put a nice gnarly flipping bend in it. I just want to know if it's gonna stay. I know it's going to be scarred a little bit, but it should stay there. Should. I might need some. I'm just going to clip him off, so I don't have to bother unwinding it. Should come off easy enough. There we go. Look, that stayed there lovely. Take that off. There. Unclip it. There. Pull that up here like that a minute. That'll pull straight out. Clip it there, make sure I don't catch it. See, that's perfect, isn't it? I know I want it to stand up a bit more like that, but that bend in it, you see that? I might have to put some fresh wire in it, which I do have. Not as thick as that one. I've got thicker, but this will do. Because I want it to stand up and more over that way there, like that. So that's what we do. Get some of this wire out. I'm quite impressed that stayed there like that though. Which is always good. How much fun. Right, about that. Chuck that over there. Take that off again. I think I did this last time, took it off, put it back on. Next year it needs repotting anyway. Alright, stick it in there. Wind the wire around the tree. Just put your thumb, what you do is you put your thumb there and bend it around. That's about 45 degrees. It is a little bit scarred there. You see the scar marks there. So there's time for it to come off anyway. So I want it to go that way, so I'll just bend this around there like that. And now I can do what I want with it. There's a nice bend here. Don't want to destroy that. And now I just bend that bit up there like that. That's gone back too far. So what I'm going to have to do, bend it down like that, and up like that, too far, that's it, because I want that to be the leader, not that one, so I'm just going to let that one grow out to be the sacrificial one. But these come on a tree. Don't know what's happened to this one. Maybe I should bend it a little bit that way. Yeah, that way. Then back up. There. We see how that goes. I should. I'm going to leave them because it's growing well as it is. This one will have to go eventually as well. It's coming at me, or bend it around that way. Not going to do it now. Yeah, there we go, that's a Scotch pine. Needs a bit of weeding. It's loving life in this pot though. I think this comes from Heron's Bonsai. My mate brought it for me birthday. But I'm pleased that stayed like that though. I am pleased. Right, so it's going to be a quick one again today. Like, subscribe. YouTube will put something here. Share it as well. And if you've got anything you'd like to, like tips, tricks and things like that, just let us know. Or what you want to see next. I have got a repotting of another Scotch pine over there which I'm going to look at this weekend. Right, so I'll see you again. Alright.